Hi everybody, it's Dan, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going back to Pokemon and making an ultimate Dugtrio cake. It's going to have delicious Oreo crumbs filled on top of every single layer, covered with delicious, smooth, fluffy chocolate buttercream, and it's going to be absolutely adorable and pretty much the perfect birthday cake. I mean, if I had this birthday cake growing up, during my Pokemon craze, which I'm still a Pokemon craze, but you know, it's going to be awesome, it's going to be wonderful, and it's going to be super easy. It's super delicious. It's Oreos, it's chocolate, you can't go wrong. I'll be sure to throw a link to the recipe down below in the description. And stay tuned at the end of the video for more information about the KitchenAid stand mixer giveaway. Now go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees and let's get started on this quick, easy, delicious chocolate cake so we can start decorating and then start eating some delicious, wonderful chocolate cake. So for this Dugtrio cake, we're going to be using 6-inch round chocolate cakes. And we're going to be using the Wilton 3D sphere ball, but we're only going to be using half. I love it, it's easy, it's simple, and it has this little stand thing, so when you're baking, it just stays nice and flat. It doesn't wobble all over the place, which you think it's a sphere, it's going to wobble, but it doesn't wobble. And the cakes always come out so perfect and just so delicious. So we're going to be using this 3 times, and our 6-inch round cakes are going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 6-inch round chocolate cakes and 3 6-inch half sphere cakes. I'll throw all that in the link in the recipe description down below, so don't need to take notes, just relax and get ready to make some delicious cake. But enough talking, I know, stop rambling, you want to get right to the Pokemon cake. So grab your large mixing bowl, and to that we're going to go ahead and start adding in our butter and our sugar. And then we're going to cream together on a medium speed for about a quick 2 minutes until both are light and fluffy. Then we're going to add in our eggs and our vanilla. And then continue to beat that butter mixture at that same medium speed for another quick minute until everything is fully combined. Then go ahead and scoot that bowl to the side. Grab another mixing bowl for your dry ingredients, and to that we're going to start adding in our flour, our cocoa powder, our baking soda, and our salt. Then we're going to go ahead and give that a nice quick little whisk. And once you have all those dry ingredients fully whisked, we're going to go ahead and start slowly adding the dry ingredients to the butter mixture while alternating with the water, being sure to start and end with the dry ingredients. While we're continuing to mix on a nice low speed until our chocolate cake batter is fully incorporated, fully combined, and it's nice and smooth and nice and creamy. And you shouldn't really need to mix longer than a minute and a half at most. With that said, be sure not to overmix. No need to. If there's little flour clumps, that's more than okay. So once your batter is all done and it's delicious, it's looking creamy, it's looking it's looking smooth, we can go ahead and start pouring this into all of our prepared pans. And again, we're going to be using the 6-inch round cake pans. So if you only have one, you're gonna have to do that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times. Or if you have 2 like I do, try to split that up. But don't worry, they only bake in the oven for a quick 35 minutes or until your cake tester comes out clean. So all of our cakes have baked, they've cooled, I've leveled all of them. When you level your cakes, be sure to save those 6-inch round cake tops. Throw them in a large bowl, we're gonna be using those later. You can snack on them a little bit, I do, no harm in that. But go ahead and save them, don't toss them out, because no cake is going to go to waste with this delicious ultimate Dugtrio cake. So, on your turntable, we're going to take our first 6-inch round cake layer, and we're going to add on some delicious, fluffy, chocolatey smooth buttercream. And cover that chocolate buttercream with some crushed Oreos. And then repeat. So we're going to add our next layer of chocolate cake, more chocolate buttercream, more crushed Oreos. Now, because this is going to be the shortest of our 3 cake stacks, we're going to only use 2 6-inch round cake rounds. And then top with our 6-inch half sphere cake. And there's our first cake stack. So now with our chocolate buttercream, we're gonna go ahead and beginning at the bottom of your cake, you wanna start to pipe in an upward motion as you turn your cake turntable, making sure to fill in all the gaps. Then once you have your cake covered with this delicious, smooth, oh so delicious, goes great with vanilla ice cream, had to put that in there, chocolate buttercream, you want to go ahead and take your offset spatula or a metal bench scraper and gently press it against the buttercream, and while rotating your cake turntable, smooth out your buttercream so you are left with a smooth finish. And you want to continue this motion from the bottom to the top of your cake. And after you cover your Diglet cake, you will have the start to, like I said, the ultimate, amazing, awesome Pokemon lover chocolate Dugtrio cake. Go ahead and pop your Diglet heads, all your separates, in the fridge and let everything chill for, good 5 to 10 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I've already made the 2 other cakes, but I'm gonna clean up, I'm gonna reset, then we're gonna start decorating and slice right into it and have some delicious, yummy chocolate cake with my coffee. It's gonna be perfect. So all of our Diglet cakes have firmed up. They've chilled in the fridge for a good 5 to 10 minutes. Now it's time to start adding on our subtle, cute, little, adorable fondant decorations to really bring this ultimate Dugtrio cake to life. So let's go ahead and add our bright pink fondant nose onto each Diglet head. And lastly, add on a pair of fondant black eyes onto each little Diglet head. And just like that, Dugtrio comes to life. He is looking cute, he's looking BA. It's gonna be so good, it's gonna be so awesome. Now we're gonna take those cake toppers that we saved in our big mixing bowl, or what's left, because we've been snacking on them. We're gonna crumble them up, and we're gonna sprinkle those around the cake board and your Dugtrio. And this is really gonna help resemble the ground. Now because this is an evolved form of Diglet, be generous with the cake crumbles. The goal here is to have the entire cake board covered and for the cake crumbles to come up at least 1 inch from the smallest of the 3 Diglet heads. And after you cover that board with those delicious cake crumbles, you have your perfect chocolate cake, Oreo filled, delicious, smooth chocolate buttercream Dugtrio cake. Ultimate, perfect for that Pokemon lover in your life. Thank you guys for stopping by. I had so much fun making this ultimate chocolate Oreo filled Dugtrio cake. The Pokemon Direct today, earlier this morning, got me excited and I was like, let's do Pokemon. If you are a big fan of Pokemon cakes and if you want more Pokemon cakes, because there are so many, definitely give this video a thumbs up and shoot down in the comments and let me know what your favorite Pokemon is so we can start talking about what kind of cake to do. And while you're down there commenting and giving this video a thumbs up, be sure to click that subscribe button and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video so you don't miss out on any more yummy and nerdy treats I have coming up here in the kitchen. Plus, I still have 20 KitchenAid stand mixers to give away. So if you haven't already, be sure to enter down below. Once you're in the giveaway, you'll have 20 chances to win and lots of ways to enter. Lastly, don't forget, if you make your own ultimate Dugtrio cake or the Diglet cake we did, or the Ghastly cake we did, or your own Pokemon inspired dessert and yummy treat, definitely give a tag on Instagram. Let me see what you're baking up in your kitchen. Alrighty, well I'm gonna grab some coffee, I'm gonna grab some chocolate delicious Oreo filled cake. Enjoy the day, enjoy the weather. I hope you all get to do the same. And as always, I will see you all very, very soon in the next video. Bye.